Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Tree. I hope you are all fine. Today I have came with new and unique mehndi designs of fingers. I have came with the unique mehndi designs of fingers. You know, every girl is fond of mehndi. I am also a girl and like mehndi too much. So that's why I have decided to collect stylish and simple mehndi designs for you. I hope you are liking my video. For more aesthetic designs of such videos,